Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today is October the 22nd, 2021. This is going to be our urgent Chainlink prediction. We want you all to see this and try to do this right now because there's something I wanted to talk about that I'm noticing on Chainlink's price chart that we need to be prepared for. So keep it locked in here. Make sure you hit the like button, and also subscribe to the channel. Tap that bell notification as well because I'm going to keep it real and honest with you all. Make sure you do that because you want to be notified of whenever we see changes occur within the cryptocurrency space, right? So make sure you do that before you head out. Now, let me talk about this real quick, okay? Before I get started into my Chainlink price prediction, I wanted to show you all what the market has done in Chainlink since our last video, right? You guys can see it's right here, October the 11th, 2021. We was telling you all on that particular day to be prepared for the price in Chainlink to do what? Exactly, to go up. And look at it. The market price in Chainlink has been doing just that. So now the question is, okay, cool. We're seeing the price in Chainlink go up, but as everyone will want to know, at what point will I need to exit out the position, or at least at what point will I need to expect the price to try to come back down? You guys can already see our first spot, our first location is already being tagged. The market in Chainlink is already hitting the first area of restriction, which is right here. The market answers is always given to us, right? This is the first spot. I've already identified it. This could be the first location for us to see an increased amount of volume with the addition of seeing selling occur. Now, when selling happens into the market, price comes down, okay? So that literally tells us that this $30 price, we might want to expect the price to come back down, at least momentarily. I mean, are you prepared to see the price in Chainlink go down around $30? Or can you see it come down around 32? Because that's the second location. Right? The second answer to seeing where sellers are is around $32. Simple, right? So we are still on course to see the market in Chainlink tag out around $32. I'm just here to tell you that now. And that will give us around 22, almost 23% profitability in this as price prediction. Now, the question is, can we see the price exceed $32? Like when you want to have that heads up, would you want someone to tell you that, yeah, the probability of us seeing Chainlink break $32 to the upside is pretty good? So let's try to figure that out right now, okay? Because currently we don't need to change our price prediction. I like what's being revealed on the price chart. Like the market is already identifying where it wants to go, and we're not going to be in the way. We're not going to try to get in the way. We want to make sure that we're simply following the wave. And right now the wave is rising. The market wants to go up. So who are we to say it shouldn't go up, right? Let's just follow what everyone else is trying to do. And in Chainlink's case, everyone is trying to increase this price for Chainlink. So now let me go ahead and get rid of this horizontal line right here. And in order for us to try to make the determination to see if Chainlink is going to continue to go higher, we need to change the time frame. Okay, so let me start off looking at Chainlink on a 3-day time frame real quick. And you all can see here from a 3-day perspective that the market in Chainlink is still healthy. The market is still showing its indication that it wants to go up. But looking at this on the 3-day time frame, do you think we have enough momentum to break above $32? Because if so, the next hurdle, the next restriction point is going to be here around $34, $35. Okay, that's the biggest area of restriction for us to see Chainlink come and hit. Right there around $35. We can see the market really get hit there and price come back down for Chainlink. So those are the 3 areas that I'm spotting on the price chart to where we won't be nervous. We won't be scared because the expectation would be, yeah, you know, HueFin already told us that the price could get rejected at 30, 32, and then $35. So when it happens, you guys won't be saying, what happened? Why did the market go down 40%? Why did the market go down 25%? Because I already identified where those points are at. So we need to be prepared for when the market moves to these particular price levels to act accordingly. So let's see this on a different time frame in Chainlink. Let's look at this on the 5-day. Because this is the 5-day time frame in Chainlink. And at least from a 5-day perspective, this market in Chainlink still look decent, right? We got 13 hours and 53 minutes left before this current 5-day price bar ends. Now, it still looks fantastic for us to see the price go up. So I'm not really too worried to see the market direction in Chainlink because all points shows that the market wants to go up in Chainlink. The only issue that you and I need to try to make a determination on is, okay, how high, right? So drop me a comment once you leave this video and tell me how high do you think the price in Chainlink is going to go over the next 2.5, 3 weeks. I had given you my price levels. I said 30, 32, and then 35. Those are the 3 spots, the 3 locations that I'm expecting the market in Chainlink to go through some selling, right? So this is the 5-day time frame. The 5-day time frame looks pretty good for us to at least see the market come to $32, right? Based off the 5-day time frame, the market has enough energy to try to hit $32. Okay, so that's within a 5-day span. We got to let the market trade within the next 5 days for us to see that come to fruition. All right, so let's see how long could it be before the market hits $35. We had to go further out in our time frame. This is the weekly time frame in Chainlink. Do you see any difference here? You really don't, to where we can actually expect the market in Chainlink to hit $35. Now, that doesn't mean that we're not going to hit $35. It just simply means that it's going to take longer. It's going to take longer than a week for the market in Chainlink to try to hit $35. This is the 2 weeks time frame. I mean, what do you all see here? Do you still think the market can hit $35 in Chainlink? So far, that's the case. But how soon? That's anyone's guess. I mean, I really cannot give you how long it's going to take for the market in Chainlink to try to hit $35. I mean, shoot, we got to break 32 first. So our current price prediction is still on course for us to see that come to pass. But $35, I don't know. Might have to happen on the monthly time frame. Let's look at this on the monthly time frame. Look at that on the monthly time frame. Like last month, September, wasn't a good month for Chainlink's price. It was not. We saw the market go all the way up there to $35, get rejected, and come all the way back down and close around 33. And now we're trying to make another run back up to $35 for the month of October. I'm not truly convinced that the market in Chainlink could hit 35, which is why our current prediction is looking for the market to hit 32. I mean, it's just that simple, just that easy. Based off what happened during the month of September, right? I don't want to become overly bullish because you're going to get a whole lot of channels out there on YouTube that's going to pump you up and tell you that Chainlink's going to hit $500. That Chainlink's going to hit $1,000. Well, we can't even break 32 first. And until that happens, you know, we shouldn't be talking about no $500 price prediction or $1,000 price prediction when the market clearly shows us that it's not able to break 32. All right, so this is it. I'm going to keep my price prediction in Chainlink, right? I'm going to keep it the same. The market is really not showing us that it wants to go down. And this is another indication right here. Look at all that volume that came in on October the 21st. Look at all that volume. Now, granted, today's conclusion of price action, which is right here, is going to be the determining factor as to whether or not the market bought all of the selling that happened yesterday in Chainlink. So if we close higher today in the market in Chainlink versus all the volume that came through yesterday, which is indicative of selling, we're going to continue to move up higher in price. This is the reason why I wanted to come in and give you all this price prediction update, is to show you how we end today. In the next 13 hours and 49 minutes, it's going to be a massive indication into knowing where prices are going to go up or are we going to go down. All right. So keep that open, because right now the market looked like it wants to continue to go up because the market has absorbed all of the selling that happened yesterday. So we're still on course. All right. So now that's it. I want to get your price prediction though, right? I'm giving you my expectations, my outlook, and I want to know, what do you think? What are you noticing on the price chart that will give you information as to wherever the price you think Chainlink is going to go? So let me know with a comment in the comment section and tell me right now. Make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, trade different.